In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from eBay. We all love the convenience of online marketplaces, but the constant stream of notifications might sometimes feel overwhelming. Let's simplify this process and take back control over what notifications you receive from eBay. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to ebay.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. Logging in is crucial as it grants you access to your account settings, where we will make our adjustments. Now that you're logged in, locate and click on your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your username or avatar in the top right corner of the page, where a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Clicking here will take you to a new page with various options for managing your account. Once you're on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Communication Preferences. This is where eBay lets you customize the way they communicate with you. Go ahead and click on Communication Preferences. This will take you to a page that lists all sorts of notifications you might receive regarding your activity on eBay. Look for the section titled Buying Activity. You may notice multiple categories here that pertain to different types of notifications you might encounter, such as those related to purchases, bids, or offers. Find this section and click on the Edit button associated with it. This will allow you to customize your preferences further. Now scroll through the options available under Buying Activity. Here you'll find a list of various notification settings. Scan through these options and identify which notifications you wish to turn off. Whether it's notifications about upcoming auctions, payment reminders, or shipping updates, you can select which ones are unnecessary for you. After you've made your selections, remember to click on Save to ensure that your changes are applied. This final step is important because it confirms your new preferences and tells eBay what notifications you no longer want to receive. Make sure to double check that your selections are correct before saving. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully customized your notification preferences on eBay. This should help in reducing the information overload and ensure that you only receive the notifications that are important to you. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed eBay experience with fewer interruptions.